Now, earlier in the days, Leader of the House, Minister Nimal Siripala De Silva raised a privilege issue concerning the notice being served by the Supreme Court naming the members of the Select Committee in question and the Speaker of Parliament as respondents in relation to the impeachment of the Chief Justice. As promised here, the views of several parliamentarians expressed before Speaker Chamal Rajapaksa delivered his ruling.
පාර්ලිමේන්තුවේ බලයට වරප්‍රසාදවලට අත ගහන්නට එන මේ
Halting the interference into the privileges of Parliament is the only way we can stop the country from sliding into a state of anarchy. If the judiciary seeks to challenge this, we need to inform them that they exist when the consent of the legislature and the executive.
පවතින්නේ ව්‍යවස්ථාදායකයෙක් විධායකයෙක් එකඟත්වයේ අනුව පමණයි.
අපි විරුද්ධ වෙනවා යම් අවස්ථාවක ඔබතුමා අධිකරණයට ගෙන්නුවොත්. මේ දේ සම්බන්ධයෙන් අධිකරණය ඔබතුමා විවේචනයට ලක් වුණොත් අපි ඒ සම්බන්ධයෙන්
We will protest if by some chance you are summoned to court in this regard. If the court criticizes you, then we will protest against it, devoid of party differences, and we will stand up to ensure the independence of Parliament. In the same manner, we also need to protect the honour of the judiciary. There is an issue with regard to whether we have judicial powers or not, but we disregarded this and assumed judicial powers to summon the highest authority who has judicial powers to Parliament and then go on to criticize the manner in which she smiles and walks. Members of Parliament have expressed such views.
අපි කතා නොකළ යුතු දේ සම්බන්ධයෙන් විශේෂයෙන් මන්ත්‍රීවරු අදහස් ප්‍රකාශ කළ තියෙනවා කතා නායක.
මම කියන්නේ මේ ක්‍රමය හරිද වැරදිද කියලා. අවුරුදු 25ක් මේ රටේ
I will tell you whether this is right or wrong. For 25 years, what did the judiciary, the Bar Association, do to rectify this if it was wrong? How many lawyers have entered Parliament? If lawyers who do not understand the manner in which this works have been sent to Parliament, I am saddened by it. Were all of you asleep till the fifth impeachment motion was brought up?
Sir, you know, we do not possess judicial powers except investigative powers. So on that particular basis, every person in this country is innocent until proven guilty. It is only the Chief Justice of this country, if so desired by members of Parliament, brings a motion in, the CJ is guilty until proven innocent. That is the sole difference in this particular one. So this is the reason why this has to be very cautiously handled, sir.
It is my respectful submission to you, sir, that it is your clear duty to tell the whole world that this Parliament cannot be interfered with. We shall countenance no interference. It is a contempt of this Parliament, clearly, indisputably, it is a contempt of this Parliament to have the temerity to notice the Speaker of this Assembly and to order the Speaker to file written submissions. We must reject that with all the authority at our command.
It is for this Parliament to decide whether we are going to answer those notices or not. That is entirely in the discretion of this Parliament and the Honourable Speaker. So the basic idea of the whole issue is they went into court to find out whether the select committee that has been appointed by the Honourable Speaker has got judicial powers or not. The powers that are vested with the select committee is only a committee to investigate and report to the Honourable Speaker, and it is entirely in the discretion of the Honourable Speaker to do what is correct under the privileges of this House.
අපේ බලතල ආරක්ෂා වෙන අධිකරණයට ස්වාධීනත්වය ආරක්ෂා කළ
Our privileges should be protected, while the independence of the judiciary should also be protected. The Chief Justice should be allowed to take part in this non-judicial process in line with her rights. If we do this, then this tension will decrease and we will be able to move on.
ඒතිය කරොත් මම හිතන උගත් දුරට මේ දැන් තියෙන තදභාවයේ උණුසුම්භාවයේ නැති වෙලා ඊළඟ පියවරට අපිට යන්න පුළුවන්.
Many government and opposition members spoke on the privilege issue brought up by Minister Nimal Siripala. I will take all this into consideration, study everything and give a ruling on it later.
කරුණු දැක්වුවා මේ සියල්ලම සැලකිල්ලට අරගෙන මේ පිළිබඳව අධ්‍යයනයක් කරලා මම මේ පිළිබඳව පසුවට නියෝගයක් ලබා දෙනවා.